Hi, it's Del and welcome back to the channel and the challenge to see if we can make any money as beginners through affiliate marketing. So what's going on then? Have our videos had any views, any likes or subscribes? Have we had any clicks through our affiliate product? And most importantly, have we had any sales? Oh, and find out at the end what Google did that had an impact on the challenge and us earning any money. A quick recap if you've missed any of the previous videos in the series. We're running a 40-day challenge to see if we can earn any money affiliate marketing. We found our product, our target audience, and decided on the content we are creating. We are going to promote a home light therapy mask and use faceless YouTube videos to do this. And we set up the affiliate programs and created the YouTube channel. If you missed any of the setup or want to know how to do any of this, have a look at the other videos and I'll put links in the descriptions below. We have launched the channel and are creating and uploading videos consistently to try to achieve channel growth. Oh, a quick note, please like and subscribe to the series as it not only helps the channel grow, you know that, but also you get first notification of the videos as they come out on this challenge and other helpful hints and tips to running your own part-time online business. Keep watching to discover what Google did to the growth of the channel and opportunity. The story so far. What is happening? The channel went live on the 2nd of April with the first video that had the affiliate links in the description. Again, if you want to know how to create videos, affiliate links, etc., check the videos in the link descriptions below. I've been creating and uploading the videos roughly every couple of days. This is important as YouTube, Google, other platforms love consistency. Creating content is not a one-hit wonder. You have to do it regularly or the platform's algorithms will not give your channel or content visibility. And how is it all performing? Well, you can see on the report that the views are low, but views nonetheless, and beginning to see an upward trend on the graph line. And as far as any income, unfortunately, no clicks, no sales, so no commission earned. But let's not forget, this is a brand new channel. There is only organic growth, so no paid advertising. And the affiliate product is only on one platform, YouTube. It's early days, and then the views and impressions on YouTube stopped. Why? I was completely stumped. Was it the content? Was it the form of the content? AI? The product? What became apparent was revealed by an email I received from Google YouTube. My ID profile and data submitted to Google had been deleted. The upshot of this is that Google was not verifying me for content creation and permissions to run a YouTube account. And if you remember from the YouTube channel setup video, you need advanced features and permissions set up. What this means, in a nutshell, is that with the advanced features and permissions withdrawn, I can only upload a small number of videos. And I'm not allowed to have any external or affiliate links in the description. Effectively, this means that it's not possible to earn any money by people clicking on the product to buy it. The opportunity is effectively dead in the water. So now there is a challenge in the challenge. 10 days in of live launch and no way to possibly earn any money through this means. So what did I do and what action did I take? Find out in the next video, out in a few days' time. So for first notification when that is, don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, if you missed any of the other videos in this challenge series, have a click on the playlist below. Thanks for watching and subscribe for the next video on what action I took to kickstart the channel with the challenges thrown. I'll catch you then.